Morning, Rob here from Another Day, Another Walk. And today we're going to be reviewing these Ultimate Pro Low Walking Shoes from Mammut. First impressions on getting them out of the box is that they look smart, but they also look durable for the trail. So, as you can see, these are Gore-Tex, which means there's a membrane in there that will keep your feet dry, but at the same time letting your foot breathe. Top quality. I don't think there's anything better than Gore-Tex, and hopefully these are going to be much lighter weight and easier and a bit more flexible than my walking boots. So on those hot sunny days where the ground's dry, these should be perfect. So as you can see, there's this bit of rubber going around the front, and that's just to protect your toe, stop you stubbing your toe on rocks. And then you've got this material on the top, reflective points on the side, as well as the Mammut logo. Got your Gore-Tex as well. Inside you've got your Mammut Memo foam, so that's to cushion your foot. See, got your Grip-X, and that's really good, solid grip all along and all the way to the sides. So no matter what terrain you're walking on, you've got grip. Now I went with this style because it's not very walking style. I wanted a set of walking trainers that look a bit more like trainers. So when I'm on those days and I'm just going for a walk with my mates, I can go into the pub afterwards and they wouldn't look out of place. You could easily just chuck these on to go down the shops, and I don't think people would realise they're more walking trainers rather than actual just trainers. So I think they're perfect for that. And being Gore-Tex, I know if you get those summer showers, they're going to keep my feet dry if I go through a puddle or anything like that. They also come in a green, which do look really nice, but I couldn't find them reduced anywhere. These were down to 126 in Go Outdoors. Then I think I got a little bit off because my wife works for the NHS. But the green pair were only at the full price at 140, and they weren't on sale at Go Outdoors. I could only find them online at 140. And I didn't really want to pay the extra money just for the colour. Hopefully these do me well. I will be doing a long-term review on how they work out for me, whether they are waterproof as well as they should be with the Gore-Tex, how the sole wears up, the grip, how they feel on my feet, do I have any hot spots or blisters. I'll be putting that up there in a few months' time. I think they look really smart, and I think they'll be perfect for going out, having a walk and then going back to the pub for a cheeky Guinness. But let me know what you think in the comments and hit that subscribe button. On first impressions of trying these on, I noticed that they feel really light and the fabric seems like it's going to be breathable. It was really easy to lace up, and the actual tongue has got a gaiter style tongue to stop the water coming in. Overall, I think they look pretty smart, more of the trainer style than a walking style, and they were pretty comfy, so fingers crossed they do me well. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below what you think, and hit that subscribe to get more videos on all products outdoors, outdoor videos, and wild camping as well. So bye from me, Rob, and another day, another walk.